Finally get to film car getting delivered from Copart. We got the Cadillac coming down. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another day of Bobby's Backyard Autoworks. Behind me, I got a 2006 Cadillac STS with 124,000 miles. I don't know if I should have got this, but they gave it to me. They took my offer. It was a buy it now, and it was way below the buy it now, and they took the offer. It was on the market or on the block for 4 weeks. So I guess they decided, you know what, this is the lucky person. I really didn't want it. I inspected it the day before of the auction, and I was going to do the buy it now. Seriously, I was going to do the buy it now because it was a good price. I don't know if you can see it right now, but it does have Vogue tires. Just in that, I would get my money back. So it's a win-win, I think, to me, I think. But I went to inspect it, and it was a little rougher than I thought. Passenger side is ripped on the seat. Driver side seat is ripped also. I saw that this fender had been reworked already. I saw that the hood has been repaired, but I have a Carfax on it, always dealership maintained, but no accidents, but the one that I will show you in a minute. I'll save the best for last though. This is what really really didn't want it, but hey, I'll show you that in just a moment. Let me get you off the tripod and I will show you that. That was another reason why I didn't want it. It runs really well, quiet engine. It says airbag service on it. So like I said, now I really know that it was in a prior accident. They replaced the airbag but not the module. Luckily my all tailbolt should reset that, so that'll save me some money there. But yeah, let me get you off tripod and show you what I'm talking about. I did get this delivered yesterday around 4 p.m. so I didn't get to play with it too much, but I did notice, yes, the headlights, that's what made me think it was in prior accident also, because every tab on these headlights are broken. They JB weld them, so I don't know if I'm going to replace them. I mean, they stick good, but like I said, it doesn't look well. I don't know. The hood has been reworked, like I said, you can tell right here, and this headlight bracket is broken also. I'll show you that when I open the hood. But right here, look at that bullet hole. I don't know if it went all the way through. I still got to check it out, see what's going on. But yeah, after I saw that, I'm like, I don't think I want this car. But hey, it does have the 235/50 17-inch Vogues on chrome, brand new tires. I think on the Carfax it shows that when they put them on. This right here, oh, another reason why I kind of shied away from it too. This door, driver's door and passenger door, did not want to open from the outside. Inside no problem, but outside no, it would not. But I charged the battery and it works, but the passenger side doesn't work. That's fine. Probably get a new actuator. Door actuator is probably bad, so I'll probably get one of those at the junkyard tomorrow. Another reason why I didn't want it, paint's fading. Yeah, it was the money I wanted to pay. I don't think they would have gave it to me, but like I said, I think I could recoup it, not a problem. But here's the rear end damage. Cracked tail light, got a little bump in the back. And another reason why I didn't want it either is it did push in the spare tire pan. I'll show you that right now. I took this off at Copart. I didn't care. I took this off at Copart, pulled back the carpet, and yeah, seam sealer came off right there. So it's pretty crunched in, only in the bottom. It didn't get the frame rails at all. I pulled this back. It didn't get the frame rail. I looked underneath. It just pushed in this right here a little bit. Whoops. It just pushed this in a little bit. So I'm going to pull this out. Like I said, I have a puller. No problem. But yeah, man, that was another reason why I didn't want it. But my friend told me he'll hook me up again at the frame shop. Let me see if I can get you in there. There you go. As you can see, it got crunched a little bit. It did get the exhaust, as you can see over there. So luckily I know an exhaust guy. I'm gonna try to bend it out myself. with a crowbar, at least so I can drive it, because right now it hits the support bar, crash bar. But other than that, it's not too bad. Let's go check it out. Oh, we'll check out the trunk in a little bit, but filthy, filthy, filthy. I don't know how people can do this to cars, but hey, not me. Put this on the list. I think this is a cup holder or something. Oh, ashtray. Okay. Put that on the list. But the back, there's no rips. Just a little hole right here, which is cool. Clean them up. Not too bad. It did have a system, so I think that's why this is this way. Let's see. Yeah, I probably have to bend. It's an old car. I love the color though. And then this is faded just from them closing the door all the time and not washing it. The mirror, that's on my list. And this is the rip. It's not too bad, but there's one at the junkyard for the whole interior is about 200 bucks, but I have to change it black, so I might wait. And then there's the rip on the back. Other than that, it's not too bad. Not bad at all. Did have a system, still has the knob. It is a push to start, keyless. For once I got a car, yay, push to start. So let's push it. See, service airbag. That's cool. Trunk open. Let's open the hood. Haha, hood open. And it came with the 3/4 of a tank. Right there is gold. Golden. Sounds good. Doesn't have a hood strut or anything, so I have my jack hole to hold it up. There we go. It is the 3.6 liter V6 VVT. But as you can see, the engine is quiet, and I check the belts in a little while, see if they need them. Oil, again, I mean dirty, so that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Right here, told me more telltales of taking apart. Leftover parts. I don't know. I think this thing has a main front end. And these things are low. Kind of liking it. Alright guys, so let's wash her up, see what she looks like. Alright, but before I wash it, this is the passenger side. I left it open, but it does not open. It doesn't actuate like the driver's side. So I think it's dead. So I'll just get one at the junkyard, and if I need it, I need it. If I don't, it shouldn't be that much. This seat is broken. I'm gonna see if I can find just the plastic. I don't need the electronics. See if I can find the plastic. If not, I do have the pieces here. I'll glue them on or epoxy them and see, and that should work. It already stays up pretty good by itself just by me doing that. That's no big deal. Like I said, it's just filthy. There's no mats. I'll check in the trunk. It is filthy. It is. Not gonna lie. But let's check out the trunk. I haven't even looked in there. Oh, and the body lines. The body lines aren't too bad. It's a little tight right there. So like I said, when I pull this out, not to pull that body line out, but it's not bad. Check it out this side. Perfect. Alright, so let's check out, see what's in here. Take this out. I can put that back on for right now. Alright. More battery. Okay, I'll put that up in front. Here's all the stereo stuff. I hope the Bose system still works. Let's see, there's the Bose subwoofer. Ooh, oh man, what the heck did they do? Ah, okay. It's It's disconnected. All right, I'll just connect it right back up. I'll do that right now. That's why there's no bass in the system right now. Yeah, I did get it from Farmers Insurance. Vehicle in 525, 2 months. Estimator. I call it green. I don't know. I guess it's green. I call it blue. It's empty. This is for the base controller. Alright. I gotta see if there's no power to these. This is ground. Throw that away. Got a sweater. What kind of sweater is it? Speed 1. Medium. Yeah, that won't fit me. Let's see what else. Just in case there's a name on here. What the? Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't show you this. I told you I didn't want this car. Let's just say I see robbery on here. Convicted, committed to prison. Status felony. 3 years in prison. Maybe I won't put this video out then. I don't know. Maybe they'll recognize it. Come after me! Not just playing. Throw that out. Throw that out. Cheap enough. Huh. Little fan. This was a girl's car. Maybe that's her boyfriend. I don't know. Alright. Let's throw all this away. Since I already have it out here. Alright, and then I'll put these away. I guess I don't have to take this out. Let's see. There we go. Now it closes.
What's up with that one? Oh,
Yeah, he got rear-ended. Ew, not too bad.
shit, man, that motherfucker got carumbo. At least the trunk didn't bend. That's the good part. The lid looked like it didn't.
Yeah, no, it was. All right, let's get washing. Like I said, she's filthy. Real dirty. So it's gonna be a good wash. I'll try to get good footage. It's been a while since I've done a wash down video. Let's clean these wheels up. Well, I'll be dang, she cleaned up really nice. Look at these wheels. Nice. I mean, the paint is rough, but dang. You saw what the wheels looked like before. You saw how dirty it was before. She came out pretty nice. Like I said, they just kept on closing the door right there without cleaning it. Still got the stupid bullet hole. But yeah, wow, check that out. Them wheels pop out. And crazy, I actually read that report wrong. This is a chick's car. She did time, and the second page, there was more. There was 5 more convictions. So yeah, wow. And the person lives like 2 cities down from me. Crazy. Like I said, it's been repainted. There's some stuff going on right here. I don't know if the camera picks it up. Right here, looks like they used the gold, used parts gold, because there's more over here. Like they didn't use enough paint. down here. There we go. And I just noticed right here on the bumper also. I mean, whoever did it, they did a crappy job. So just with the fender, got to do body work on it. With this peeling, peeling, a little bit of scrapes there, that's fine. But having to paint the bumper, I mean, I might as well just paint almost the whole car. If I get a gallon of paint, I'm looking at about $1,000 for this paint job, just in paint. So yeah, but it looks nice for a quick wash. But this is gonna end this video. Next one, I don't know, I might do the interior. Like I said, the next one I'll probably be changing the bumper, tail light, and pulling the tire tub. We'll take it all apart, we'll look at more damage and whatnot. But that'll be it for this video. This is another new build for the channel. Like I said, I wasn't supposed to, but it happened. All right, so that's gonna end this Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you're new to the channel, thank you. If you already have subscribed, thank you for the support, and talk to you guys later.